Dear students, today I am going to discuss the topic consumer behavior. Meaning, consumer behavior is the study of how individual customers, groups, or organizations select, buy, use, and dispose ideas, goods, and services to satisfy their needs and wants. It refers to the actions of the consumers in the marketplace and the underlying motives for those actions. Simply, consumer behavior refers to the psychological, social, and physical behavior of potential consumers as they become aware of, evaluate, purchase, consume, and tell others about the product or services. Next one, definition. According to Professor Leonti, consumer behavior is study of how individuals make decisions to spend their available resources, time, money, effort on consumption-related items. It includes the study of what they buy, why they buy it, when they buy it, how often they buy it, and how often they use it. Next one, we have to study factors influencing consumer behavior. There are 4 factors. First one, cultural factors. Second one, social factors. Third one, personal factors. Fourth one, psychological factors. First one, cultural factors. Cultural factors have the deepest influence on consumer behavior. It indicates the following subparts. First one, culture. Culture refers to the social heritage of the society. The social values and attitudes towards work, language, belief, moral, law, customs, tradition, and habits are acquired by man as a member of the society. Second one, subculture. Each culture will contain smaller groups of subculture that provide more specific identification and socialization for its members. In other words, to segment larger societies into smaller subgroups, those are homogeneous in relation to certain customs and behavior. Third one, social class. Social class may take the form of a caste system where the members of different castes are for certain roles and cannot change their caste membership. The second factor is social factor. Social factor means factor such as economic condition of the family and role status of family exert of a powerful influence on buying decisions. This influenced by many social factors like reference groups, family, roles, and status. First one, reference group. A reference group consists of groups that have immediate, direct, or indirect influence in shaping attitudes and behavior. Next one is family. Family means members of the buyer's family can exercise a strong influence on the buyer behavior. Marketers are interested in the roles and relative influence of each member of the family on each other. Next one, role and status. A person is a member of many groups, family, clubs, organization, etc., and the person's position in each group can be defined in terms of roles and status. Third one, personal factor. Personal factor means a consumer's purchase decisions are also influenced by personal characteristics, name ones the buyers have and stage of life cycle, occupation, economic circumstance, lifestyle, personalities and self-concept. Next factor, third one is personal factor. Personal factor means a consumer's purchase decisions are also influenced by personal characteristics, namely wants the buyer have and stage of life cycle, occupation, economic circumstance, lifestyles, personalities and self-concept. These factors influence consumer behavior and buying decision process. These factors influence consumer behavior and buying decision process, and this includes age and stage of life cycle. That means a person's age decides the needs. Second one, occupation. A person's occupation has a direct effect on his choice of goods and services. Third one, economic circumstance. A person's occupation has a direct effect on his choice of goods and services. Next one, economic circumstance. A person's economic circumstance consists of his or her spendable income, saving and assets, ability to borrow and attitude towards spending savings. Fourth one, life cycle. Life cycle is the manner in which a person lives and spends time and money. Fifth one, personality. Personality is another factor which is the inner psychological characteristics of a person that is manifested in outer behavior in terms of individual differences like high, low social persons. Fourth one is psychological factor. For the purpose of understanding consumers' buying behavior, four major psychological determinants, that is motivation, perception, learning, beliefs and attitudes, are discussed. First one, motivation. Motivation is one of the psychological factors which have close relationship with the behavior of human beings. Next one, perceptions. Perception is the process of selecting, organizing and interpreting or attaching meaning to events happening in environment. Third one, learning. Learning is another psychological factor by which the knowledge and experience acquired from the purchase, consumption and use is applied to the future behavior. Fifth one, beliefs and attitude. A belief is a thought that a person holds about something, and attitude can be said to be a person's enduring favorable or unfavorable cognitive evaluation, emotional feelings and action tendencies towards some objectives or ideas. These are the important factors influencing consumer behavior, that is cultural factor, social factor, personal factor and psychological factor. Next, we have to study Unit 3, that is marketing mix. Marketing mix means it refers to the combination of four basic marketing tools, that is product, price, place and promotion, that a firm uses its marketing objectives in a target market. According to Saint Anton, Marketing mix is the term used to describe the combination of those four inputs which constitute the core of a company's marketing system, that is, product, price, structure, promotional activities, and distribution system. So, marketing mix represents the total marketing program of a firm. It involves decisions with regard to product, price, place, and promotion. These above four elements differ from firm to firm. Marketing mix serve as a linkage between a business firm and its customer. Next one, elements of marketing. They are product, price, place, and promotion. Product mix includes brand, style, color, design, product line, package, warranty, and service. Price mix includes pricing strategy, pricing policy, basic price, terms of credit, discounts, and allowances. Next one, place mix includes distribution channels. They are wholesalers, retailers, and mercantile agents. Next one, physical distribution includes transport, warehousing, and inventory. Next element is promotion. Promotion mix includes personal selling, advertising, publicity, and sales promotion. First one, product means goods or services or anything of value which is offered to the market for sale. The important product decisions include deciding about the features, quality, packaging, labeling, and branding of the product. Second one, price. Price is the amount of money paid by the customers to obtain the product. In most of the products, price affects the demand of the products. Desired profits, cost of production, competition, demands, etc. must be considered before fixing the price of a product. Third one, place. Place or physical distribution includes activities that make a firm's products available to the target customers. Important decisions area in this respect include selection of dealers, storage, warehousing, and transportation of goods from the place of production to the place of consumption. Fourth one, promotion. Promotion includes the activities that communicate availability, features, merits, etc. of the products to the target customers and persuade them to buy it. It includes advertising, personal selling, sales promotion, and publicity to promote the sale of products. These are the important elements of marketing. So, marketing mix means it refers to the combination of four basic marketing tools, that is product, price, place, and promotion, that a firm uses its marketing objectives in a target market. Marketing, the important elements of marketing are 4P, that is product, price, place, and promotion. These are the important elements of marketing.